Hi guys, me lunching with Liam here. So today we went to Checkers. So I have nuggets and fries. Oh yeah, guys. Say hi to the guys, Dad.
Hi, the guys. Dad.
Hey guys. I got mozzarella stick, guys. So here we are. Look at your brother.
No, like, where's
Look.
He's like this.
Ooh, happy pizza. Finally one closer. Yeah, go ahead.
I have fries, guys.
Your brother eating?
Flip, eat.
No, eating. Oh, Liam, you have a burger too.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you got everything. It's actually a really good deal. You know what's crazy is it's $5.
We're on 75, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Freeway, guys. On the freeway.
Get over it.
Wow, wow, guys. Huh?
Tell you what, Leo.
Huh?
Last night I never seen her.
This the last night I go tonight.
Yeah, because school came 10 days quicker than I thought it would, so we're really gonna have to push and go this week. It's stupid too because of the holiday.
Hey guys, we went to my new school today, guys. Mountain Park School.
We went over like 3 half days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
And I got book, guys. Oh, from my new school, guys. It's fun. I'm having fun right now, guys. Today. Oh. We're eating, guys. Me and my brother. If you eat Checkers, guys, tell me in the comments.
He said he really wanted to ugly Sarah over something now that he that's what he was there for. Or if somebody needs to hug him, that's what they're there for.
Wow. The fries I like. They're good, guys. From Checkers, they're good. The Home Depot, guys. Trucks.
So what's going on with Usher? Why did he have to postpone the opening night of his past, present, future tour in Atlanta? So what went down? Well, he broke
Couple
all
more
his
fries.
socials, so he has to give his body time to rest and heal. He's not quite healing too well. Hopefully he bounced back since this whole postponement. And I'm kind of glad it happened in Atlanta and not here, because how mad would you be if you missed out on Usher? It's 105 won the bounce.
My trash in there. here, guys.
Morning bound to Mean Gene and Shannon Renee.
Once upon a time, your GPS did you wrong. I do delivery.
That's your brother. But still, I can't see. Yep.
I have chicken nuggets, guys.
My friend's here.
We're on I-75.
There is a water, but it's back there. It's sandy.
I don't know.
Listen to the all-new Morning Bounce weekdays 6 to 10 a.m. on 105.1 The Bounce.
Oh,
Get Bounce on 105.1 The Bounce. Stream us anywhere in the club. Powered by Michigan Auto Accident Deterrent.
come to me real quick.
Standing up for everyday Americans is at the very foundation of who Kamala Harris is. Raised in a middle-class home by a working mother who instilled in her a passion for justice and equality. That's why when Kamala Harris became district attorney, she stood up for our kids, keeping them safe by prosecuting sex offenders. She also
Okay, bye, guys.